Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the secrets those twinkling stars hold? As we stand on our little blue planet, the universe extends infinitely in all directions, filled with countless stars, each one a mystery waiting to be unraveled. These celestial bodies, so far away, yet so integral to our existence, have fascinated us for centuries. Today we embark on a journey to the distant corners of the cosmos, where we'll delve into the mysteries of these stellar wonders. We'll be counting down the top 10 fascinating facts about stars, each more intriguing than the last. From the life of a star to its color, size, and even the speed of light it emits, we've got a cosmic lineup that's sure to captivate your curiosity. So fasten your seatbelts, stargazers, as we prepare to launch into the infinite expanse of the universe. Dive in with us as we unravel the top 10 fascinating facts about stars. Starting with fact number 10, did you know stars are born and they die just like us? That's right. Every star begins its life in a nebula, which is a gigantic cloud of dust and gas. As these elements come together under the force of gravity, they form a protostar. This protostar continues to grow, gathering more and more material until the pressure and temperature at its core ignite nuclear fusion, giving birth to a star. The star then spends most of its life in a stable phase known as the main sequence, burning hydrogen into helium. As the star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it expands into a red giant or supergiant, then sheds its outer layers. What remains after this stellar evolution depends on the star's mass. It could turn into a white dwarf, slowly cooling over billions of years, or a neutron star, or even a black hole if the star was massive enough. So stars indeed have a life cycle, albeit lasting billions of years. Moving to fact number 9, stars are not just white, they come in different colors. But what gives stars their distinctive hues? The answer lies in their temperature. Stars, like our sun, emit light across a spectrum. However, the peak of this spectrum, where the most light is emitted, is determined by the star's temperature. Hotter stars, often above 30,000 degrees Kelvin, glow a vibrant blue. Medium temperature stars, like our sun, which is around 6,000 degrees Kelvin, appear yellow or white. Cooler stars, with temperatures dipping below 3,500 degrees Kelvin, take on a ruddy orange or red hue. It's a stellar spectrum that paints the night sky with a dazzling array of colors. It's not just a beautiful sight, but also a window into the fiery hearts of these celestial bodies. So, the next time you look at the night sky, remember you're seeing a cosmic rainbow. Fact number 8, stars vary greatly in size. Not all stars are created equal. They range from the diminutive neutron stars to the colossal supergiants. Neutron stars, remnants of supernova explosions, are incredibly dense, packing more mass than our sun into a sphere with a diameter of just about 12 miles. On the other end of the spectrum, we have supergiant stars. These cosmic behemoths are so vast, they make our sun look like a mere speck of dust. For instance, the red supergiant Betelgeuse, residing in the Orion constellation, is so large that if it replaced our sun, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. And then there's our sun, sitting comfortably in the middle. With a diameter of roughly 865,000 miles, it's neither the smallest nor the largest star in the universe. It's just an average star, living its average star life. Our sun, as massive as it seems to us, is just an average-sized star. Fact number 7. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Now, let's try to wrap our heads around that. It's a difficult concept to grasp, isn't it? That's because the universe is unimaginably vast, and the number of stars it holds is equally staggering. It's estimated that there are around 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies, on average, contains between 100 billion to 1 trillion stars. If you do the math, that's a septillion stars, give or take a few. That's a 1 followed by 24 zeros, a number so large it's hard to even comprehend. To put it into perspective, it's like counting every grain of sand on every beach on Earth, and then multiplying that by 10. And remember, those are just the stars we can observe. There could be countless more in the parts of the universe we can't yet see. Isn't that just mind-boggling? Fact number 6. Not all stars host planets, but many do. The planets that orbit stars other than our own sun are known as exoplanets. Exoplanets are quite common in our universe. In fact, nearly every star we see in the night sky is likely to have at least one exoplanet in its orbit. Scientists have discovered thousands of these celestial bodies since the first exoplanet was confirmed back in the mid-90s. With the help of advanced space telescopes, we've been able to detect exoplanets of all sizes, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky planets smaller than Earth. Many of these exoplanets exist in what's referred to as the habitable zone, or Goldilocks zone, of their host star. This is the region around a star where conditions might be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, and perhaps for life as we know it to thrive. So, there could be countless worlds out there orbiting their own stars. Fact number 5. The light you see from stars is old light. Now, isn't that a thought to ponder? Here's what that means. Light travels at an astounding speed of 186,000 miles per second. Despite this incredible speed, the distances in the universe are so vast that it takes a significant amount of time for the light to reach us. This is where the concept of light years comes into play. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, approximately 6 trillion miles. So when we say a star is a certain number of light years away, we're not just talking about distance, we're also talking about time. The light we see from a star that is, say, 100 light years away began its journey 100 years ago. So when you gaze at the stars, you're literally looking back in time. It's a stunning reminder that the cosmos is not just a place, but a timeline of the universe's history. Fact number 4. The Sun is the closest star to Earth. This fiery ball of superheated gas is a mere 93 million miles away from us. Without it, we wouldn't even be here. The Sun provides the energy that fuels life on our planet. Its light feeds plants, which in turn feed animals and us humans. But there's more to the Sun than just a life-giving lamp. It's a dynamic and turbulent star, constantly churning with magnetic storms and spewing out particles that create the beautiful aurora borealis and aurora australis. The Sun is also our best window into the workings of stars. By studying it, scientists can learn more about the life cycles, behaviors, and characteristics of distant stars. The Sun is a shining example of the stars in our universe, always there, always reliable, a beacon of light and life. Without our Sun, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Fact number 3. The brightest star in the night sky isn't the biggest. That's right. The trophy for the brightest star visible from Earth goes to Sirius, also known as the Dog Star. But don't let its stellar glow fool you. Sirius is not the biggest star out there, not by a long shot. You see, brightness in the celestial sphere doesn't always equate to size. The brightness of a star depends on a combination of its temperature and size. Sirius, for example, is twice as massive as our Sun and about 25 times more luminous. But its brightness is primarily because it's relatively close to us, a mere 8.6 light-years away. Stars much larger than Sirius, like Betelgeuse or Vi Canis Majoris, are further away and thus appear less bright from our viewpoint. It's a cosmic illusion of sorts. So remember, in the vast expanse of the universe, appearances can be deceiving. So the brightest stars aren't always the biggest ones. Fact number 2. Stars are the universe's factories for creating elements. Stars are not only fascinating celestial bodies that twinkle in the night sky, but they're also responsible for creating the building blocks of everything that exists. It's a process that occurs in their core, where extreme heat and pressure fuse atoms together through nuclear fusion. This process begins with hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. As stars burn their hydrogen fuel, they create helium. As stars age and their temperatures rise, they begin to fuse helium into heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. In the most massive stars, fusion continues until iron forms in the core. When stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they collapse and explode in a supernova, spewing these elements across the universe. These elements then become the raw material for new stars, planets, and even life itself. So in a profound sense, we and everything around us are made of star stuff. And finally, fact number 1. The most interesting star isn't one star at all. How's that for a plot twist? We're talking about binary stars, a duo of stars that orbit around a common center of mass. It's like a cosmic tango, where two celestial bodies are locked in a perpetual dance, one that can last for billions of years. These binary systems challenge our traditional single-star view of the cosmos. They account for over half of the stars we see in the night sky, yet they often appear as a singular point of light to the naked eye. But when we peek through our telescopes, the truth is revealed. Two stars whirling around each other in a gravitational embrace. Some binary stars even exchange mass, with one star siphoning off material from its partner. It's a stellar show of cooperation and competition, a dance of give and take played out on an astronomical stage. So the most interesting star is actually a pair dancing in a cosmic ballet. Well, there you have it, folks. A journey through the cosmos and a deep dive into the fascinating world of stars. From the infinite universe to the cosmic ballet of binary stars, we've covered it all. But remember, the universe is vast, and there's always more to explore. We hope that this glimpse into the cosmos has sparked your curiosity and that you'll continue on this journey of discovery with us. Before we sign off, we want to remind you to like this video if you found it informative and interesting. Sharing it with your friends and family will help us reach more people and inspire more cosmic curiosity. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more faceless voyages into the depths of the universe. We've got more star facts, space phenomena, and cosmic mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Thank you for joining us on this star-studded journey. Until next time, keep looking up.